Looking for a festive, non-alcoholic drink to serve at the holidays? I'm going to show you how to make two beautiful and refreshing drink recipes that everyone will enjoy. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine, and I found all of the healthy ingredients I'm going to use in today's recipes at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, where I love to shop. For the base of our drinks, we're going to use two different flavors from Mingle Mocktails. If you haven't heard of these, they are divine. We're going to make a cranberry pomegranate Cosmo using the Mingle Sparkling Mocktail. It's already got cranberry in it. We're going to go ahead and add some delicious fresh pomegranate and some pomegranate juice. We'll need 16 ounces of our mocktail, 1/3 cup of pomegranate juice, and the juice of half an orange. You can see I've already removed some of the rind there to use for decoration. In a glass jar with a lid, I'm going to combine the fresh orange juice, the pomegranate juice, and a little fun food coloring from our friends at Supernatural 100% plant-based food colors. Put the lid on and give it a good shake. Is that color gorgeous or what? Okay, let's add this lusciousness to our already delicious cranberry Cosmo for a divine holiday mocktail. Give it a light stir just to combine everything. Make sure we have all those little food coloring bits mushed up there. Now pour into martini glasses. Now we're going to float a few pomegranate seeds into each glass. And a few cranberries. And of course you'll want all of your ingredients to be chilled. We don't want to overdo it. This is just an accent. And I love fresh herbs in a drink like this. I find that the contrast just really adds a nice touch. And I took some orange peel that I just peeled off with a peeler and coiled it around a chopstick to make a lovely little garnish. And there you have it, a gorgeous, festive, holiday cranberry pomegranate Cosmo. For our blueberry basil Bellini, we're using another variety of the Mingle Sparkling Mocktail. This one is a blackberry hibiscus. It's going to go perfectly with some fresh blueberries, a little fresh lime juice. I've got some fun straws, a little pure maple syrup, fresh basil, lime wedges, and once again we're using our Supernatural 100% plant-based food colors, and I've got the purple packet, so we'll see what that does to the color. We'll need 16 ounces of our blackberry hibiscus Bellini, add the juice of 1 lime. I've got a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We may not need quite all of that. Let's add most of it, but then taste and see what we think. It's perfect, but depending on your taste buds, if you want to add all of the maple syrup, go for it. Just like with our Cosmo, you want all your ingredients to be chilled. And you can also add some ice to this mocktail. Now let's mix up our food coloring with just a little splash more of the blackberry hibiscus Bellini mixture. Oh my gosh, look at that color, would you? It's so pretty. It's like vibrant blue and purple. It's like blueberry on steroids. I'm just going to make sure that's well blended. We don't want any powdery chunks before we add that to our glasses. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to strain this through a strainer. And this is your mocktail, so you can add as much or as little of the food coloring mixture as you like. You get to play around. Top each one off with a few blueberries, of course. Fancy straw doesn't hurt. And a little lime wedge. Gorgeous, delicious, fun, and playful for the holidays or really any time that you want to enjoy a blueberry basil Bellini. And of course you'll want to top it off with a nice fresh sprig of basil in each glass. Perfection. So I hope this video inspired you to get creative with holiday mocktail options. The possibilities are endless when it comes to colorful, fun drinks you can serve. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to find out about new videos when they get posted. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Cheers!